You excited to meet your new friends? She is. I'm gonna be getting some African Grey Parrots tomorrow, so I've got to prepare this cage for them. I'm inside the parrot cage right now. It's a nice and spacious 6-foot enclosure. I installed a couple more toys. That's gonna be their nest box. We got their feeding and watering station there, branch, rope. Now it's time to go collect the geckos I'm gonna be trading for the parrots. So these are the 2 geckos I'm gonna be trading for the parrot. We've got an A-male hat patternless right here, and then this one is a Oreo Zulu het ghost, and they're both females. Comes with a nice little Exoterra small low tank. Cute little African fat-tailed geckos. Just picked up the African Greys. What, nobody wants to say anything now? They were talkative a minute ago. Time to go take them home and get them set up. I think they're kissing, that's nice. That's very nice. So we're gonna call this guy Raw Chicken. Oh, please don't peck me. So we got raw chicken here, we got cooked. Hey, buddy. Hello. You step up. Thank you. Hello, chicken. So yeah, she actually lost her feathers when she was much younger. She won't grow them back, but that's okay. She's still a beautiful bird. And quite friendly too. Look at that guy up there.